you have a problem with performance during bedtime. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to use an egg and coffee powder to bring back your performance. Trust me, this home recipe is very good. It will make it happen like the way you want it to be during bedtime. Okay, so you just need to watch the entire video from the beginning up the end. And my dear, if this is your first time to watch a video from this YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And of course, at the end of this video, share this video to your friends and leave a comment in the comment section. So without wasting a lot of time, let us go to our preparation. First of all, you need an egg. Make sure that you get an egg which is uncooked, okay, which is uncooked. So get one egg, as you see. So we need an egg. This is a very amazing recipe which you should learn how to make at home, guys. So we need just one egg yolk. Put here your egg yolk, as you see. From that, get for me Nescafe. You can use another type of coffee powder, but I recommend you to use Nescafe. So you're going to add only 3 tablespoons of your Nescafe. That's 1. These are 2 and 3. Okay. But before, guys, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256, okay? And leave a comment in the comment section. And of course, you can invite your friends to our YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256. So if you try this home recipe at home, trust me, your performance will be perfect and will be going for hours and hours during sleeping, trust me. So you need such amazing recipe to bring back your performance forever, guys. Then from that, we need lemon. Okay, we need lemon, but our lemon this time, we need the outer parts of your lemon, the outer parts of your lemon. So it means we are going to remove the outer parts. At the moment, you get the point. So make sure that you grate to get the outer parts like this. Yes. So if you have a problem with manpower, you don't last longer in bed during performance, your part is always weak, when you go for bed competition, you finish, you don't come back for the second round, my dear, this home recipe will make it stiff and strong, energetic during performance, and will go for hours and hours during sleeping. This is very amazing. So from that, I want you to add for me just 1 tablespoon of this to your recipe, just 1 tablespoon. So this is only 1 tablespoon is enough. Make sure that you mix very well. Make sure that you mix very well your home recipe. Right now, we are going to cook this home recipe until it boils. Okay, we are going to cook until it boils. So make sure that you watch the entire video at the end, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you're a newcomer here, leave a comment in the comment section. Now, this is our recipe after cooking. As you see, it's still very hot. When you cook, it will look like this. From that, we are going to filter our home recipe, as you see, so that you filter very well. after cooking, guys, after cooking, you have to bring back your lemon which you kept aside, because we need lemon juice. We need just 1 tablespoon of lemon juice is enough. You just need to add only 1 tablespoon of your lemon juice. This is enough. Mix very well. Lastly, we need natural honey. So you need also 1 tablespoon of natural honey. But guys, if you have never subscribed, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256, and of course leave a comment in the comment section. So you add also 1 spoon. 1 spoon. Our home recipe, the way it looks like, very interesting but powerful. This is a powerful home remedy, guys. Very powerful, as you see. Have you seen the preparation? Have you learned something from this preparation? Are you able to make this home recipe at home? Now, if you have learned this preparation, my dear, don't forget to subscribe, okay? If you have never subscribed, and of course, share to your friends. And I told you, you can leave a comment in the comment section. Ask any question you feel like. I'll be able to answer all your questions. So leave a question in the comment section. Okay, so this home recipe, children and pregnant women are not supposed to use this home recipe. I want you to take this home recipe. In fact, let me first take this home recipe to see how it tastes. But you take it 30 minutes before going to the bed, before sleeping. Trust me, you won't remain the same. You won't remain the same, guys. Trust me. It will give you good results and you'll make it to happen like the way you want it to be happen on that day. So take it. Take it 30 minutes before bedtime. We'll make it like this. It will be like this. Okay, like this. So why not try out this home recipe, make it to happen, be a king during sleeping. I love you so much. May God bless you. You can watch another video right now here, and of course let me see you to the next video right now. As usual, my name is Coach Uganda on Easy Tips 256 YouTube channel. Bye bye. Bye bye.